Hello friends and followers. Here's a Harbauch board all assembled for the Drake L4B Linear Amplifier. This takes about 10 minutes to solder up. It's not too bad. The best way to solder this thing up is to first bend the diodes. You can just bend these on the ends and they'll fit right in, and place them all in. And then turn the board over and have it just lying on some cardboard and solder all these. Next, you can put in these resistors, and so what I did was these will bend easily, and just place them so they're 1/4 inch or more up as per the instructions. And then I put in just 2 capacitors and turned it over and soldered everything up. So the next thing you do is remove the old power supply boards out of the amplifier, and they'll have brackets on the bottom. You want to take off that silver bracket assembly on the board. Take off those 2 bars, silver bars. What I did was I drilled holes in the fish paper to make it work exactly, make it mount precisely, and then I screwed those bars onto the Harbauch power supply board. So that's about it. Then you can screw this board in and solder up the wires and give it a try. There's a bunch of instructions that Harbauch sends. They're a lot like a Heath kit. He gives basically the board layout on page 3. On page 2, there's a pile of instructions. I haven't really been following them yet, but I think I will for putting the board into the unit, into the linear amplifier. Let's check out page 1. Yep, pretty much covers the whole thing. I just basically got busy and started putting the parts in the way they go. And now I'll read the instructions to get the wires on here soldered correctly and fire it up. So that's what I've been doing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.